So yesterday we had a windstorm that was a huge windstorm, and it took down this tree. And oh my god, it was a big windstorm. Like, oh my god. Now let's go on to another area, shall we? This was one of the big trees, just like this one. And now it's lumber, firewood, or something like that. I really don't know. And here's what it looks like. Oh, dear God. That tree is dead. There's more. I feel sorry for trees. Oh dear God. That was a very windy day yesterday. They said like 100-kilometer wind speed, and it was going so much. Dear God. And there was a little bit of rain, but mainly it was a windstorm. That's what you get for... I don't know why there was a lot of wind. Something happened. The only thing I know is that it's really shocking and amazing sometimes.